Anyone can do this, guys, and you will love the results in 5 minutes. It is absolutely easy. Mwah. Okay, my queens, let's get a move on this 5-minute face day. It's going to be great. It's for everyone out there that is really, really busy and just wants to get out the door. Not many products, you're just going to look great, okay? And that's my promise to you. Just want to show you one thing. Supergoop Daily Moisturiser. It's a moisturiser with the SPF in it, which I've used this today. SPF of 40, so it's pretty much a one and done product. Do I need eye drops? Oh, I was going to put some Lumify in, but yeah, I might just put a bit in. Hang on. Honestly, guys, I love these eye drops. I can't do without them. I really can't. I don't use them every day, but when I notice that my eyes are very dull, I will put these in. They just brighten your eyes up, brighten the whites of the eyes up, which I've always had trouble with. So yeah, don't count that in the 5, okay? Let's go. So the foundation I want to use today, guys, is a really reliable one. I've been trying it out for the past week. It's a KVD Good Apple. Now, I really love this one, guys. It's skin-like. It wears amazingly. It lasts throughout the day. You've got to try it. 3 pumps. Okay, guys, so that's the foundation on. My gosh, I look really white. What the hell happened? It's the right shade, isn't it? I can't even see. I can't even see. Like, I need my glasses. No, that's the right one. It does look good. So that's the foundation on, guys. It looks very pale, but I'm pretty sure that it oxidizes. And I didn't use those 3 pumps either, guys. Honestly, I'm still getting used to the formula, and I feel like maybe 1.5 pumps is heaps. It's such a pigmented formula, but it's great. A tiny bit of concealer, guys. Nothing major, okay? We are out the door really fast. Just like that. Just like that. Get your sponge and just blend that in. Wow, I'm so sorry, guys, my microphone was over there. Okay, let's hit those eyebrows. Now, I use the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Lift. It's so quick, guys, easy, zoom, zoom, zoom. I love this pencil, okay? It doesn't give you the hair-like strokes, okay, unless you're really, really careful. But because we're in a rush today, guys, we can't have time to be doing hair-like strokes, okay? So, let's just do it. I love that pen. I've been using it for years. You know, I could do a better job, obviously, but today is one of those days, my friends. Not bad. I'm going to go back to my old fave here, Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish, and just pat that under the eyes. And anywhere else that I might need, just, you know, to set. Real fast. Nothing. I'm peeling. Oh, my face is peeling. Shit. I'm using glycolic acid. The 20% from Peter Thomas Roth. Oh, it's a godsend, but it's making me peel a bit. Not too badly. Okay, for a makeup look like this, we only want a one and done shadow, okay? So, I'm going to go into my beautiful Huda Beauty mattes. I love this palette. It's just so warm. Check those colours out, guys. Really warm. Perfect amount of one and done colours. Let's get it on. One colour. I like doing the one colour looks when I'm freaking really bloody over it. And I'm going to choose this one here, the second one, because I'm wearing green today, you know, and I'm just like, just put it all over your eyelids, guys. Nicely though, eh? Nice. Put it up a bit, don't forget to pull it out. Just the one colour. Just a little wash of it would be nice. Like that. Other eye. Just, you know. I love those one and done colours. Something that makes you look special but you haven't really done much. A bit more, you need it. Just make sure that you pull it upwards and really blend it, that's key. Good tip, I know it will take a little second, but just run some of that eyeshadow under your eyes, or you could use the darker one in the pan. Yeah, like that. Okay, so we've got to clean up the edges on the outside, okay? It's a one and done shadow. I need to bronze the face up. I feel like, my gosh, I feel like the shade is too light. Any bronzer you have, guys. I have the terracotta Guerlain one here, which I love. Just get some life into this face. And that's it. Bit of blush, we out. So you got something there. Don't worry, our setting spray is going to make everything amazing. Okay, it's going to melt everything and it's just going to look awesome. Okay, a little bit of blush, and I'm loving my galactic blushes, man. They're so gorgeous. Look at the colour of that one, guys. That's a kind of a highlighter part, which I don't really use. I might put a bit on today, and that is like a creamy blush. You need some kind of colour on this face. Could have gone for a more pinker one, actually. Put a bit under the eyes as well, so I don't look so freaking dead. And I might even go into the luminous side here. It's here. Just a bit of a highlight. Cream. And that's us. I'm going to use my beautiful Persona Cosmetics eyeliner. Love this one, guys. Never runs, so reliable. That's what we need, is reliability in our makeup. Eyeliner is important, guys. You gotta have it. You gotta have the eyebrows. You've got to have the eyeliner. You've got to have that base, right, eh? Let's spray. What are we gonna use today, guys? Let's use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Close your eyes. Just quickly, last step, my peeps. Press that setting spray in, especially under the eyes, under the wrinkly, crinkly parts. Lippy time, guys. I'm going to use my beautiful House Labs lip oil. Love this colour. What's the colour? I can't see, guys. I need my glasses, but it'll be all in the damn description box, okay? Check that colour out. It's gorgeous, but it gives a beautiful little tint. And it does last a while too, guys. Huge doe foot on it too. I love it. That is so quick. I'm enjoying a really nice lip gloss, lip oil lately. Just psh, no lip liner, no need for that, you know, I'm not glamming up. So that, my peeps, is our beautiful 5-minute look. I think it was definitely 5 minutes. I mean, as long as you get the base right, you know, and I did with this KVD. I feel like, yeah, it's oxidizing. It's oxidizing, hopefully. I feel like it's a bit light, but it wasn't light yesterday. I don't know what's going on. But that was our quick 5-minute look. Really important steps, guys. As long as your skin and your base look amazing, you have eyebrows on, a bit of eyeliner. I have eyelash extensions, so that's one and done. You can just walk out the door, okay? But I always like to put on something like, you know, that one and done eyeshadow, a little bit of bronzer. But I hope you enjoyed my 5-minute makeup look, guys. Really super easy, as long as you got that foundation on, a really reliable one that's going to work for you, and you have your eyebrows done. That Charlotte Tilbury brow pen is amazing, and you're out the door, right? Bit of eyeliner, that one and done shadow. I love it. Anyone can do this, guys, and you will love the results in 5 minutes. I gotta go, but thank you so much for watching, and I hope you try this out, because it is absolutely easy. Mwah.